Make a great choice today with the 2022 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths and is priced below $65,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, headlights auto off, cruise control, power door locks, power windows, power steering, tilt steering wheel, AM/FM stereo radio. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.